A blessing in disguise means something that looks bad at first, but turns out to be good. It is like a gift hidden inside a problem. This idiom helps us see the positive side of difficult situations. A blessing in disguise is an apparent problem or misfortune that unexpectedly turns out to be good or beneficial. It means something negative at first becomes positive later. Good thing that seemed bad at first. Missing the flight was a blessing in disguise because of the storm. Getting fired was a blessing in disguise, and it led to a better job. The delay was a blessing in disguise as it gave time to fix bugs. Her rejection became a blessing in disguise when a better offer arrived. Silver lining means the good part of a bad situation. Mixed blessing has both good and bad sides. Benefit in disguise is similar to blessing in disguise. Every cloud has a silver lining means good comes from bad. Every cloud has a silver lining means even bad situations have something good. Silver lining is the positive aspect hidden in a negative situation. It reminds us to look for hope during difficult times. A mixed blessing is something with both advantages and disadvantages. It can be good and bad at the same time. For example, a new job might pay more but require moving far away. Bad situations often hide good opportunities. Always look beyond the surface to find the benefit. A blessing in disguise teaches us to stay positive when things seem difficult.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.